Elrigu Namaskara. Hello everyone, welcome to World Education Center. My name is Kaushalya Majki. Today video is about advantages of studying MBBS in Philippines. So Philippines is one of the very famous destination for Indian students. There are thousands of students every year choose Philippines for their MBBS course. So why they choose? I mean, what is that Philippines has, and what are the different advantages? What are those good reasons why MBBS is being chosen by Indian students in Philippines? So let's know. There are so many good information I'm going to show you. I'm going to discuss today. In case if you want to study MBBS in Philippines, then please do watch this video till the end. I'm going to cover a lot of good information which is going to help you to choose Philippines for your MBBS destination. So let's get started. The first advantage is Philippines is third largest English speaking country in the world. So whenever the student go for MBBS course in abroad, the language is very important. If they don't know the local language, it's very difficult for students to cope up with the local people and to interact with the patients. The local language is must. But in Philippines, the student doesn't have the headache of the learning the local language. So 94% of the population in Philippines do speak English. So though there is a regional language Filipino, but 94% of the population speak English in Philippines. This is going to eliminate the language learning. Like the student doesn't have to. Not all the students are good at learning a new language. So in case if you're not good at learning other language, then do consider Philippines for your MBBS course, because you don't have to learn any language. Right from the sweeper to the president of the country, everybody speak English in Philippines. The second advantage is US curriculum. So the curriculum in Philippines is American. So in case if you study in Philippines in future, if you want to do post graduation in US or you want to practice in the US, so this is going to help you. And also there is a survey in the US. If you see the statistics of the physician in the US, out of every 10 doctor, one doctor is a Filipino. You can just imagine when there is such close ratio, 10:1, then of course the Filipino degree is at par with the US degree. That is the reason there are so many doctors from Philippines are able to go to US and practice. Third advantage is, so Philippines is the third largest exporter of doctors and nurses. That means the healthcare sector, the medical education in Philippines is really good. So when you go to anywhere in the world, whether it is the Middle East or USA or any mainstream English country, wherever you go, you find a lot of Filipinos working in the healthcare sector. So in that way, if you see, when the Filipino doctors and nurses are able to go to these mainstream countries and practice, that means the quality of education is at par with the Western countries. Fourth advantage is degree recognition. The Filipino degree is recognized, of course, in India. This is recognized by National Medical Commission India. It is recognized by WHO. Also, this degree is going to be recognized in Australia, New Zealand, USA, and many other countries. So, a student doesn't have to worry. If they study in Philippines, they can go to any good countries and practice. And the next advantage is tropical climate. The climate is also one of the very important factors. So, we as Indians, we are the Indian weather is very moderate. We have a tropical climate, so it is not too cold or too hot. So whenever we go abroad, so of course the weather matters. There is a scientific reason behind climate. Like, of course, the human behavior is directly involved with the weather outside. If so, in Philippines, the weather is just like India. It is very easy for Indian students to go and adjust here. So it's not like Russia or Georgia or Ukraine. It's too cold. The student has to, get adjust to the different weather. They have to adapt to the particular nature. It's nothing like that. The Filipino weather is just as like our Chennai, Mumbai, or any coastal area. So, and also our Mangalore. So it's just like our Mangalore. So the student can easily adjust over here. Next advantage is tropical diseases. See, whenever in medicine, whenever the students are studying diseases, if you go to any cold countries, whenever you do your clinical rotation, you don't experience people having tropical diseases. Tropical diseases means this dengue, malaria. So all these diseases are not present in the cold countries. Of course, just for an introduction, there are some countries they do give you the training. They give you have some classes on tropical diseases, but when you are studying in the Philippines, so you are gonna study those tropical diseases, which is very similar to Indian diseases. So once you come back to India, it's very easy for you to start practicing, because you don't face much of a problem, because whatever you studied there, it is as same as you're studying in India. So this is also one of the advantage. And the good clinical exposure during your clericalship. So during your clericalship, as you know, in Philippines, first 1.5 years is going to be the BS psychology, then 4 years is going to be MD. So in this 4 year, 3 years plus 1 year. So 1 year, last year is going to be a clericalship. During this clericalship, the students are supposed to work in the main departments like surgery or gynecology or any good department. So the students get hands-on experience on the clinical training as well. So this is not many places it's not present. There are some in some countries internship is also not there. So in Philippines, the last 1 year is going to be the complete clericalship. The students are able to have the hands-on clinical exposure. The next advantage is good cadavers in the practical training from second year. From second year, students are given cadavers to do the practice, and also from second year students do have hospital visits and all. So here the clinical practice and the cadaver experience is there from the second year. This is also helping students to learn the subjects better. The next advantage is good MCI result. I think if you see in 2019 and 2020 MCI passing rate, to 50% of the students who passed are from Philippines, that too on the first attempt. So this shows the quality of education and the kind of education they have, so and the kind of exposure they are getting. The students are able to pass the MCI in one attempt. The next is Indian student community. So any university, there are more than 30 universities in Philippines. Every university has Indian students community. There is a separate hostels for Indians. There are Indian mess facility available, and Indian students are actually staying together. So this is also helping students to adjust to the university better, and because whenever you're going abroad, so you always have that fear factor. There are so many students don't even know that these places to Philippines, there are students going in thousands of numbers. They don't know that. They think are we going to be alone, or is there anybody from India? So don't worry. So any university you choose in Philippines, every year they take minimum 100 to 150 students. Some universities take more than 200 students. So there is a proper Indian community, Indian hostels, Indian food. So you get everything. And the last and the very important advantage is affordable. So you have seen there are a lot of good advantages of Philippines university. That too, the universities are very affordable. The total fee structure is between 25 to 30 lakhs for 5.5 years. This is as low as 25 to 30, and this can be afforded by any middle class or upper middle class students. And this 25-30 also not together. So first year you may have to pay some 7 to 8 lakh, and from second year that to 7 to 8 lakh is including the college fee, hostel, food, medical insurance, visa renewal, and the consultancy fee or air ticket all together. And from second year, only the college fee and the hostel. So together, depends on the university what you choose. The total expenditure comes up to just 25 to 30 lakhs. So hope you understood, like there are so many good benefits of choosing Philippines. And I personally know, I have personally sent more than 200 students to Philippines in different university, and all the students are presently studying, and some of them will get graduate as well this year, and all are very happy and all have good feedbacks to give. Of course, not everything will be good once you go there. You will have certain you have to definitely adjust to the university, country, or the city. I mean, if somebody says everything is good, definitely that is a sugar coating. It is not that way possible. The students has to adjust in some way. Some students are extremely happy, some students are not very happy, but still the education should be good, and the MCI passing rate should be good. And of course, here Philippines is very near to India. From Bangalore, the student, they have direct flights via Singapore, Malaysia, and all that. Ticket fare is also very low. It is somewhere around one way. You can even buy it for 20,000 rupees as well. So it is not taking much time. Maybe around within 7 to 8 hours you will even reach the Manila. So there are so many good benefits out of choosing Philippines. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions about MBBS in Philippines, please put it in the comment box so that I will try to resolve your queries. In case if you want me to make a video on particular university or particular information, please do comment below so that I would definitely make it for you. And hope this video gave you a lot of information and a lot of clarity on why to choose Philippines. So see you in the next video. And for more information and we also give you the free counseling. So which university is good, and which place is good, and which is the safe place to go in Philippines, which is the best university which has good MCI passing rate. So there are a lot of information which you want to know. Try to contact on the displayed number so that we try to give you the free counseling, and we try to give you the differentiation between different university so that we can help you to choose the better university for you. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Namaste.